Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy the Smart Technologies RX series RX286 86-inch UHD 4K touchscreen commercial monitor, please visit the link provided in the description. Spending time with this huge display has been an entirely different experience compared to standard monitors or even typical interactive boards. The RX286 is built to transform how people share ideas, explain concepts, and collaborate in real time. It feels less like a screen and more like a full productivity environment. From the first moment it powers on, the size and clarity make a strong impression. The 86-inch 4K panel delivers a level of detail that makes everything look incredibly clear, even when viewed from across a large room. Fine text is readable, visuals look sharp, and color accuracy stays stable from multiple angles. The screen uses an anti-glare surface that reduces reflections, allowing the display to stay visible even in bright rooms with overhead lighting or sunlight coming through windows. This is one of those features that makes a real difference in classrooms and meeting spaces. The interactive touch performance is one of the standout strengths. The display reacts instantly to swipes, taps, and drawings. There's no noticeable delay, which makes writing on it feel smooth and natural. Editing, highlighting, annotating, and sketching becomes almost effortless. Switching between different tools or apps doesn't break the flow, and everything remains predictable and responsive. The pen provides added control for more precise work, whether you're jotting down notes or illustrating a complex idea. The built-in software interface is simple to understand and offers a powerful set of tools. You can launch a digital whiteboard instantly, open documents, share screens wirelessly, and switch input sources without complications. It blends cloud connectivity with local tools, letting you save work, reopen projects, and display files easily. For teams or classrooms, it means sessions can start faster and run smoother, with fewer technical interruptions. Connectivity options are a major highlight. USB-C with power delivery, HDMI, multiple USB ports, and more allow seamless interaction between devices. Plugging in a laptop through USB-C instantly delivers touch control, video output, and charging through one cable. That convenience alone makes the RX286 feel like a future-ready boardroom or classroom device. The display also handles multiple users interacting at once, which is perfect for group problem-solving or creative workshops. The speakers built into the display push out clear and balanced sound. Voices and videos are easy to hear in medium-sized spaces. While external audio equipment can still be added, the internal system delivers enough volume and clarity for everyday presentations, lessons, and video meetings. The display integrates smoothly with online meeting platforms, making it easy to conduct remote sessions while still using the touchscreen tools. During video calls, you can annotate documents live, navigate presentations directly on the screen, and interact naturally without needing separate controls. Combined with a compatible camera and microphone setup, it becomes a complete communication hub. The build quality feels solid and engineered for frequent use. The frame is sturdy, and the glass is designed to resist scratches and maintain clarity over years of interaction. It's clearly meant for environments where many people will be touching, writing, or presenting on it daily. Nothing feels flimsy or fragile. The durability inspires confidence that it will hold up over time. Using a large interactive screen like this changes how people engage with information. Instead of sitting back and watching, users can walk up to the display, touch the content, and contribute directly. Lessons feel more immersive, meetings feel more productive, and presentations become more dynamic. The scale of the screen makes complex concepts easier to break down visually, especially when working with diagrams, charts, or media-rich content. Overall, the RX286 offers a powerful combination of size, clarity, interactivity, and usability. It's designed for real work, brainstorming, teaching, presenting, planning, and collaborating. Anyone who needs a high-performance interactive screen for professional or educational use will find it capable, reliable, and genuinely useful. It's a tool that elevates how groups work together in the same room or remotely. If you want to check out this 86-inch 4K touchscreen commercial monitor and see how it can upgrade your space, the link is in the description. Supporting the link helps keep more tech content coming.